Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect all your other socials to your Discord server. Whether it be Twitter, now renamed to X, or YouTube, Twitch, or whatever you want. This works with any other socials. The one I'm going to be doing in this video is going to be Twitch. Now you need to go to a site called IFTTT. Link will be down in the description down below. You want to go ahead and press this create button up here in the corner. And then you get an if this then that. You want to go ahead and press add, and then you want to go ahead and search for Twitch and click on it. What we're going to do is when I start a new stream, we're going to connect Twitch account. So after you have done that, it will then create this nice little thing right here for you. Then on then that, you want to go ahead and press add, and you want to search for Discord. Now you want to select this post a message to a channel. You want to connect your Discord account. After you have connected your Discord account, you want to select which server you want this in. So I'm going to be doing inbot testing, and I guess we'll do it in general since it won't let me choose the channel I just made. And now you can customize this message any way you want. It gives you a whole list of things you can add into here. And then after you have customized everything you wanted to, you can select allowable mentions if you would like, and then you can go ahead and create the action. So now then you continue, and now app title. So you can give your applet a title. So Twitch, and you can receive a notifications. I'm not going to do that. And then you finish. And there you go. Now it is connected. Now, when you go live, thing will post to your Discord server. Now, since I don't actually want to go live, I'm not going to be testing this, but it will show up in general right here, or whatever channel you chose. Anyway, guys, that is going to be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.